hi genge yo hlamba swinkobyanini Gagash fana rhanga teka nsati loko la ta kuma ku hi munhu mara na ku ri okay from ana fana nga swi vulangi leswi aka platform ya mina a fana ya swi vula kwini ke so ni nga interview vanhu because they say whatever you don't like.
Vakhandle Group lowu i ntlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuvuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka naswona u nga ha tlhela vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala misaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u joyinaka 50 rand u vuyeriwa hi 5000 rand, u kuma tende na 100 wa switulu. Mobile toilet, muganga unveiling benefits u kuma 5000 rand, lodi yin'we ya tihunyi, decoration, tende na 100 wa switulu. Laha u chayelaka hi 50 rand ku tlhela ku va na leswi: muganga premium leyi ku nyikaka 15000 rand, tende na 200 wa switulu. Yi tlhela yi va na legal advice. Muganga super premium yi ku nyika 15000 rand, yi tlhela yi ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna masiku manharhu. Muganga cash only benefit laha u kumaka 50000 rand loko u chayela hi 140, kasi loko u chayela hi 120 u kuma 10000 rand. Ku kuma vuxokoxoko bana riqingho kumbe whatsappa eka 064 755 5674. U nga ha kuma vuxokoxoko na le ka website ya vakhandlegroup.co.za kumbe u rhumela rungula eka email info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
Yeah. Jaimito, mfana wale msambikani, omeonome, mai baba jaru kula yumpacha tanuna shiti. Oh, yimanimi amugalaga de chane the metal. Chane that matters the most. Ambo guata. Yay! One lava, I'm love. Irasu. For Joanne, Imanimi Amkalaka, they only chane that matters to watch. And not total. But now I'm going to come back and share the imisholo. There's also one shiny and more documentaries of beef. Hitana so carry Yamash. Xa ku sungula lexi lava ku xi announce namuntlha ni mbale hembe ya mina skipo leswi vakhandle swi thyakini and then nsati wo ni hlantswela. I think mizelo wa vakhandle luya vakhandle funeral services i fanele ku a ni kumela nsati a ni lovolela nsati ku a ta hamba a ni hlantswela swikipa leswaku ni ta kota ku hamba ni mbala swo every time ni ri ka video. So swi ta lava swi lunghisa swilo leswi baba. You must fix those things so that we can make sure good. It's a man, but it's people that share, splash basini, it's a benzo to go cool. Mavo, he got to go, he protect the one voter, insure one voter. Look, I want to get in bad in Solish. I find that as enemies of our country funeral services. Who find the along Sasso Sham, Satan Kumeran Sati, at time lower level. Kun Takota one and Sat, Namindakota listening at Julian single, Manda Julian is an answer to a mean. Mavo, kusema stuko mangu nuanu na icha. Shabu mbiri laga video leting adawa gare the end lenen. Oh, noriba lokona mizo mwan wako enda matendo all over South Africa ne. Number yako ninge wula marlogo kumaka 0765661277. We provide all kinds of tents wherever you are. Watakutisela yona. Vari ibana batukulu bakukwana banu bakona. So just DM me. I'll make sure with an affordable cost just do that. Shabmbir risha which announcer iko laga the video dai na say introduce a program leyintshwa itaba ikare interview wa tingwadla njanganja wa kusungula kuta ku ri Xiluva. So kombela ngwe lo kusuhi na yena mi n'wi byela ku se nongonoko luwa wa vuyena se wu pfurile sweswi hi interview wa tingwadla na loko nga ku ungwadla kumbe u njanganja kumbe u ntunga kumbe u xitsandza kumbe ungwadla tingwadla hlanganisa na mina ka 0765661277 loko u lava interview ntsena u lava ta kuma ku ungwadla ku fikela kwini hi la tingwadla ntsena lavo xavisa lava ku ta maketa business la ku xavisela hi la tingwadla tingwadlangwa so mi byela Xiluva ku open art no one this other thing on so I try to post Sean stuff sha EPA Sean on my thinking. The reason why I'm avoiding to speak about these things is that anakuvulavula hi swilo swa vana ni nkulu wa munhu mina na tiva ku loko ni vulavula ni nga pa ni hambanisela ku mose ni vavisa vana mara a ni sunguli ku endla leswi even when someone's son when he was attacked, I came, protected the kid. So I'm not that kind of a person who will come here and protect fight with the kid or try to kill the confidence, because I know whatever we say on social media has the power to escalate to their schools, and ashkoleni kuna bully it they can use whatever we say to bully the kids. But tinsimu ya kutsala soli makamu what tinsimu ta Kofi na Khemora akutsala soli makamu, tinsimu ta vo Majojo to compose soli makamu. So what is the jive like? Honestly, like what is the jive? Why must we sit here and talk about, like, have you ever complained to kutsale iloku kuimbela vanhu va I mean kuba ku shame wata abola ta bin manga loku win Kofi impela va dume khale ngwana nga se va win hey tsama yinjulukisa mamaritelama ni nge marivali mapele the boss that things ka juluka. So all I wanted to say on that is there's nothing new there. So it is like I'm chingela majojo mukuti nzimo ta majojo kutsala solo ucompose solo or tinsimu ta Kofi na Khemora compose vanhu vo tala kuna music vanhu va ku Mr Swell, it was there lwa ku bawo tinsimu lera ngade bifa manyangatsi na rin'wana ra pana vanhu ra ku vona vana va ndoda na hey pfurile swa ti remix na hey na Joa mara Mr Swell in the album kwale ya kuna ajira ku manyangatsi anga tsali blah 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 blah, and then so I will compose so say almost everything that comes out of Ntokoto Studios about composition. So there's nothing else songaze swi nyangatsa xin'wana lexi na ka xivula I ku hi nga tolovelani to that extent. Then nga ku dumini u famous and stuff like hi nga tolovelani to that extent. I don't really care, honestly. I don't give a damn shit. I don't care. Mina my baba jaru kula mbacha dano na shit TV. I don't give a damn shit. I honestly don't. People come to my platform. I request for people to come to be interviewed here. Foroman, I asked Foroman to interview Foroman. I asked Foroman to come to this platform. I asked him. I engineered the questions myself. No one tells me what to ask. He say whatever he says. I don't agree or agree with. I don't care. It's their perspective. If you want me to remove whatever you said, I will remove it before I upload it, of course. Mara now kuri okay from anafana ngasivula leswi aka platform yami afana yasivula kwini ke. So in a interview but because they say whatever you don't like. Ninge win me. Like ninge win. Where do I come in? I asked him the question, he answers. He came to the platform because he wanted to share the platform, and I appreciate him. I'm really grateful for Foroman to come to this platform. I make no mistake, I'm grateful for that. And then I shouldn't have uploaded that. Uman hey, Tamsa says what Tama Wuguntu. Mata to Wabaka Rumpum, Sashing a Yemishi said this year. Matu Fimba, Matu Bolameno. Why must I be told by some celebrity wanna be at the end of 35 years still an upcoming artist, my dog, but you are still trying to tell me what to do? Why don't you focus on yourself and build your career from the scratch? Interview later. Don't do that with me. I'm saying this even to everyone who thinks every person who comes to my platform, I tell them what to say. No. I call them because I have an agenda. Because I know they have something to say to my followers. I know they have something to say to their followers. I know they have something that they can be assisted to say. Everyone who comes to this platform, one way or the other, they have something to say. So, don't do that to me. Mingamia comment and I'm Gagash at com. Gagash menenga tolovela hey aningama ngambala ti fake Gucci ne loko munhu loyi a ba ti Gucci street a tsiku mukoma swilip a nghena ka Gucci store mi am byela ku location yi le kwini am phinela loko a nghena live la ka loko yi kuma poster picture Gucci store loko xa Gucci serial ota namhla ana azuku hi fanele hi ya kerekeni or kanjani na because now ku rambona va Gagash kerekeni va like loko ri tigigini va Gagash va marako mabunyu hey and then munhu loyi rambo kerekeni loko u kereke se kwini rukateliwa man va chak shem an chuzi u gang hi gang yo hlamba swinkobyanini Gagash fana rhanga ta kansati loko la ta kuma ku hi munhu a vutisi hina hi nga na vasati hi n'wi byela ku mfana kid relax ka ejilani ka yona la Gagash fana va na nsati Gagash afana vanans ungavu munhu ku wa ri busy nako hambi so I mani munhu anga ta tirhisela munhu every day hule 17 yo tshama yo go loko ri 17 u le tika live I mani tsala na tise sweswo because ku ri munhu fanele u tsakisa mzimba mzimba u tsakisa ku yi biya ntsene so Gagash inga tolovelani machaka and mitaka picture ya philani ne ivi mitaka na ya bushiri ivi bushira ni vuri chavi mi bushiri lo street va le Malawi mi tivaka ka screen mi ta vona ku vanhu lava fana that is why vanhu lava it is scam vambirhi ka vona a ni ri va fana hi leswiya swin'wana leswiya swin'wana swi tshikeleni lava nga na matimba swona ni vula ku physically va fana and that's why va ri na vu scam la tinhlokweni ta vona so mungu byela masipala wa n'wina ku I masipala leyi tshamaka kona hayi ka mina laha hi le ka Jaimito and a ni nge zi ni chuchuvulana na genge mina genge yo tisula swi vasap every day loko ya ku performeni a yi hlambi no hlamba ndani va ni rhukatelana a ni nge exchangeana na marito yo rhukatela for just to give a brief overview I've never been on Gagash's case Gagash yo ni pfuka ni nga ndlela nchuba ni khome mic 17 ni with pini seni urayena rata mara gang yo tisula hi vasi la binyuka itola fish oil ya 17 ya hungasa and then loko se yi twa ku nyanyuka la ka byiru ka tela mina wata hi chava no ya tikerekeni because wow mara honestly inga tolovelani na to va vitana vanhu va ta share their story be the beautiful painful disgusting as it may be va tota ambokwata walava awulavi itasuku my baba jaro flying bacha danuna city even amukela ka they channel that man
ni live ka interview ya mai baba se unlock ta improvela ku ayi tsikanangi inkomo ndabuyela hansi
mai baba
va vhakachesi un'wana va tsaka va ku ku tima thosi kerekeni
jaro kula imbacha danun a xi yi tivi
mina tala hi mina like not fair vote
walava a wu lava
it doesn't